I haven't painted this one yet, but so far it's not bad, see?
Wow. Not bad.
Welcome back, and also featuring Havana.
How you doing?
Yeah, she's doing all right. Yeah, okay. So let's just keep you updated on what we've done. There you go. These are the ones that we got last time in the last video, and I've cleaned them, I've painted them, and see, they actually came out pretty nice. Granted, there are some scratches, but the more you sand, the more you get rid of them. But then again, this is at the bottom, so not much fuss. Look at the side. The side is good. Now, what's the difference between this and that? Well, I removed the one that I had over here. The other one still basically in there. Let me just put this one. So this is the new one. This is the old one. You can tell the difference just by looking at them side by side. Let me just put this one here and this one here. You see the difference? That's the difference. So this is how you know which one is for 4-door and which one is for 2-door. See how this one is longer versus the other one. See, makes sense? This will sit flush and easier. Let me just switch hands just so that you can see. So this one is supposed to sit here comfortably with no issue. There you go. All what I need to do is just put the screws back in, and that's it. That is it. All right, let's just put this one, mount this one on. Now, as for the other one, I don't know if you can see properly, but it's there, and this is all the space that I have. Now, I can take the car and move it somewhere in order to work on it, but too much of a hassle. I still need to remove this one, blah, 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 blah. So I might actually go over there and hunt it out. Meanwhile, what else do we need to do? Well, we need to tackle the paint. We still need to mask some areas, wet sand the roof, clean here and there, just to have everything sorted out. And once that is done, we'll be able to remove the car outside, do the final masking, and hopefully do the paint. In terms of the back, just to refresh, this is painted. So what we need to paint is basically this side, all of it, all the way to the front fender and the roof. Those are the only two pieces that we need to paint. And dare I say, it's actually in good nick. This one is also polished, and boy, it's smooth and beautiful. Really like how it turned out. That polisher did a number on the car. Not bad. Okay, enough yip-yapping. Let's start working.
Now you tell me, don't you think this is way much better?
It sits better.
It mounts better. Perfect, no nothing. You see those gaps? Basically, if you have a double-sided tape in between, because this is what it comes, it should stick to it. But that's okay, don't worry about it. I just need it to be exposed to the sun just a bit, or heat. And after that, basically, we can just mount it properly. But so far, I'm really happy with how it sits. The other one, I did manage to remove it. So there it is. It's already been removed from that corner over there. I just need to mount the new one. I'm not gonna mount it over here because I can't actually access it properly. So for now, it sits over here until I move the car somewhere. Meanwhile, let's clean the screen just a bit because I need to start masking this area, and then hopefully I'll be able to wet sand the roof because the roof needs to be smooth, and a quick here and there. Hopefully the next phase will be actually painting the car and get it ready for that stage. But beside that, I think we're doing pretty good. Not bad. Yep. The car is in the paint booth. There you go. This one installed as it should be,
in perfect working order. The other side,
I already removed it. I just need to put the new one in.
That should be good. I've already wet sanded this whole area. I just need to clean it up in order to be ready for paint. Now, it's already drizzling outside, so definitely the paint is not going to be today. But at least I was thinking maybe I can do majority of the work done. See the shine? I actually like it. Finally, we get to have our space here. So there you go. Not bad. Let's install the last piece. Oh wow, it's really windy. Might actually put the garage door in. Yeah, actually. Close. Alright, at least now we don't have that wind blowing all over the place. We just need to wipe this one, clear it, and hopefully mask it just to have it ready. Maybe, if we're lucky, we might actually paint tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see how we go with that. But for now, you see the colors? As if like 3 different types of colors. Alright, enough talking, let's get working. It took some time, but we got it. So it's masked. All the areas that I do not want paint to come, it's already been masked. And there you go, even the bumper. It's already been painted and painted well, so it didn't want it to get, I don't know, oversprayed. So it's all good. And check it out. So this area I already sprayed it with a spray can, just because there's a bodywork that has been done, so I figured might as well just give it a bit of a spray just in the edges, because it's going to be a bit more problematic once it's all done. So you can see now it's all done and it's beautiful. This area is where basically all the paint needs to happen and take place. The hood protected. This one I just need to put it like this somehow, and like this, and like, yes, something like that. Yeah, there you go, protected. And that area, all of it, I don't want it to get any paint on it, so it's also good. Now, I didn't mask it all the way to the bottom because, let's face it, the overspray is going to be somewhere here. That's it. It's not going to go reach all the way down. So this is the area basically. And see, this is just painted now with a can, just because we had some metal showing up and body work done. So at least now it's done, protected, all good. The plan is, well, today is basically almost done for me. For you guys, it's going to be just a flick of a button, and before you know it, it's going to be the next day, and hopefully we'll start painting. So we'll start from the roof and go all the way down, and hopefully we'll get that as it should. In terms of the last piece, there you go. It's installed. Dare I say it's installed even better than the other side. And all is good. Quick sand on this area just to make sure that it's all good and well. Then we'll hit it with a spray. And before we do that, we definitely need to put the covers for the wheels because we need to protect them. But so far, everything else, I'm really happy with. Cool. Alright, so with a flick of a button, it's gonna be the next day for you guys. And just like that, it's the next day. I've got my paint mixed up and ready. I'm again using my airless compressor. It's white, remember that. The whole area is cleaned up with wax and grease removal, and everything should be fine. Wheels are protected, so pretty much I'm good to go. And I'm keeping this ladder over here handy because I need to paint this one. So I might actually climb up a couple steps just so that I'll be able to reach it from here. Here goes nothing, I suppose. Let me just see. Oh yeah. Yeah, if I can put the camera over here while I'll do the paint, you might be able to see it properly. Unless from here is better. Doubt it. No, this is not a good view. Probably this is the better view for you guys. Anyways, I'll mask up, because you have to mask up. I'll put this one down, the usual, and go to town. Wish me luck. I haven't painted this one yet, but so far it's not bad, see? But that's fine. We can fix that. We can fix that. Let the first coat dry, then after that we can just work on whatever happened, see? Okay, this is just base. We've got some good news and some bad news. Good news, roof, perfect. Slight imperfection here, but that's okay. A slight wet sand will solve that problem in no time, but beside that, all in all, it went well. Over here as well, fender did look good. Door good. We managed to salvage it. Remember when we had an overspray over here? Somewhat to a degree, it's been salvaged. Again, slight wet sand can solve the problem. Now, here comes the bad news. This is where we had the big problem. This is the area that basically wasn't so much happy. I think I know why. This is the area that we applied the primer. This is where we fixed basically the dent, and we applied the primer and we cleaned it. Now we sanded it, but I do believe it may have been a bit rough, or rougher than it should be, let's just put it this way. And as a result of that resulted into, it collected a little bit of a dirt. So when we cleaned it, it didn't clean enough. So see, it's horrendous. This definitely needs to be sanded, and once the sanding is complete, then we can proceed with paint. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to hold off because this area needs to be cleaned. If I applied clear on top of it, it's going to look ugly. As for the rest, it's actually pretty good shape. Now, I might be able to sand it and use this spray. You know how when I've got the aerosol over here, I might actually use that. But still too early to tell how we're gonna play that. Let me just wait until the paint is cleared properly and dried properly, then I might be able to do something. But overall, I would say in a cold, rainy day, we did pretty good. So, all things considered, I'm actually okay with that. Carry on. Happy to report we managed to fix this side. Again, just a reminder, we had a bit of an issue with the paint, reacted, that caused a bit of a problem, more than just a normal orange peel. It's now been fixed, and this is just base. This is with clear, this is base. That's why you see a bit of a difference in color, plus the angle and all. So don't worry about it, it's gonna be fixed. So all this area, it's been fixed and sorted out. I even removed some of the tape because now we don't need it. Boy, it looks nice. On a separate occasion, since I've already got the bumper out, I figured might as well just polish it. And it's been polished and now it's put upside down. Again, clean, beautiful. Two things. Number one, the emblem. Now it's red. Yep. I fixed it, I painted it, and now it's red because more horsepower. You know that. Number two, the mesh. You can see that the mesh over here is removed. This is the mesh that I'm talking about. It's come default black. Let me show you. It's just an experiment. You tell me. Don't you think red is better? Again, red means more horsepower. So there's that. I'm just gonna wait until it dries just a bit, then I'll give it another wash. Oh boy, it's just beautiful. Anywho's, and the plan is we need to do the other two. And see, this is my office, this is my chair and everything. So I need to remove this one, dust them up, clean them up, and hit them with the red. That way it's gonna look white, black, red, good combo. Hopefully, once it's done, it's gonna sit well over here. Cool. I just flipped it to the other side so you can see it's still black. And I'm using the one that we had for Zima. Always good. See how that color is already changing and becoming more vibrant. This is the back of it, so I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm just gonna go just a bit.
There you go.
And that's it. These small things basically help shape the car and make it a bit more unique. So, this was a good one. Let's get the rest out and do pretty much the same thing. It looks mean. From a distance, it's your typical Skyline. Get closer. Yep, red badge. Look at the bottom. Can you see the reflection? Can you see the redness? Subtle, but it's there. I don't know. The camera is not doing it justice. Believe me, I can see it. Let's see. I actually like it. And this is with the GT sign that I got. I just decided to keep it there. Not bad. Me likey. Alright. I switched the light on, that way you can actually see the reflection properly. There you go. See? You see how red? There you go. I'm just gonna put it like this. Wow. Not bad. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. If you like what you see, stick around. Until next time, you take care of yourself. Yeah.